how to stop Roblox from crashing. So first thing that you want to do is of course restarting Roblox. So exit out of Roblox and try to open it up again. And once you've opened it up, check if it still crashes. And if it still crashes, what you need to do is exit out of it, restart your computer, and once you've reopened it, just simply go to your main menu, search for Roblox. Right here, Roblox player. Then simply click on and run as administrator. Then click on yes. And make sure that you run it as administrator after you restart your PC. And check if your Roblox is working now and it is not crashing. So you just simply need to open it as run as administrator. And if it still doesn't work, what you might need to do is uninstall and reinstall Roblox. And to do that, just simply go to your main menu again, search for programs, and simply click on add or remove programs. Once you're here on the top, you will see a search bar. Just simply click on it and type in Roblox and delete all Roblox related stuff right here. So I'm just going to delete this Roblox Studio. Wait for it to load. This will pop up, uninstall Roblox Studio and uninstall the Roblox player too, of course. Wait for it to load. Once it's done, just simply exit out. Next is open up your browser. So I have my browser right here. I'll just simply search for roblox.com. Once I'm there, I'm just going to simply open up any game. Let's say, for instance, I want this game. I'm just going to simply click on it and click on the play button. And this should pop up, which says Roblox is now loading, get ready. And here, there will be the option to download and install Roblox. Just simply click on that, wait for it to load, and this should pop up also. Just simply click on save, and it will show this once the download is done. So just simply click on the file, wait for it to load. It may take some time, and once it's loaded, this will pop up which says installing Roblox. You just simply need to wait for it. And as you can see, now it says starting Roblox. And now Roblox has launched. And try to, of course, open up any game that you want. So let's say I want this game. I'll just simply click on it and click on install right here. And wait for it to load, just like so. Now check if it now works or not, and check if it is still crashing. Just remember that you need to open up the Roblox player as run as administrator so that there will be no error next time. And that's how you basically fix Roblox keeps crashing on PC.